Welcome to the OFM course. Today, I'll show you how to warm up Instagram accounts on Autopilot. We're using a tool called Instagram Automation Bot, perfect for managing and warming up multiple IG accounts. Step 1 is account setup. Use cookies or two-way authentication to log in safely. Then connect your account to the bot and attach a residential proxy. One proxy per account is recommended. After login, do nothing. Let the account rest for 24 hours. That's day 1. On day 2, go to interaction scripts inside the bot and create a new warm-up script. Start with basic actions. Scroll feed, watch reels, and like 1 to 2 posts. Day 3, add like follows and maybe 1 German mark. Also, post 1 piece of content, image or reel. From day 4 to day 7, continue increasing activity, more likes, follows, and 1 post per day. Use the bot's update info feature to change your name, bio, and profile photo on day 4. Make sure every account looks real, with a history of activity, posts, and profile updates. After 7 days, your account will be warm and ready for mass outreach. Using the Instagram automation bot, you can now automate follows, dismiss comments, and seeding engagement. Pro tip: create a few support accounts to follow, message, and interact with your main account. This will increase your trust score and help your messages avoid the spam folder. You can also buy 50 to 100 followers to boost credibility before starting campaigns. The key is to keep your warm-up script running. Don't stop after day 7. Keep liking, posting, following. This tells Instagram your account is legit. Finally, run auto-follow or seeding campaigns by uploading account lists inside the bot. Set thread count, delays, and let the software do the rest, all from one dashboard. And that's how to warm up Instagram accounts at scale with Instagram Automation Bot. Want ready-made scripts or full setup help? Check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more OFM automation tips.